Hey YouTube, this is Jay and T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing? Alright folks, here we are with another episode of J and T Customs. Send some prayers for T. He is not feeling well. I think either his allergies have got him or he's got this sinus infection that everybody has. And he doesn't have COVID, so that's a good thing. He's already been vaccinated. But so he's under the weather today, so it'll just be me mumbling and carrying on. So today's video, what are we going to do? We're going to talk about what happens when a deer runs into your truck and destroys your driver's side dually fender, and then you have to throw some fiberglass on it to fix it, because the stupid outer fender Ford F350 is $413. That's just for the fender, not for paint, not for anything else. And of course, Lucy is a custom King Ranch custom color paint. What's the point of that? The point is, so now you're distraught and you're trying to put your dually in the garage because your wife has to go down to relatives to pick up some things and then come back in 2 days. So you rush to throw the fender back together, at least to hold it together so it's street legal, and you're in a rush. And as you're in a rush, let's talk about this over here. Some of you that know me, okay, by looking at these materials, will know exactly what I have to do. Okay, bunch of 2x4s, some plywood, okay, and that is correct for some of you that are guessing. You see these prongs up here? That's to hold ladders on your roof so it doesn't touch your roof. Okay, that's what that's for. And back here you would have uprights that go on the back to put a ladder across that. Well, when you're distraught, and yep, that's right folks, and you don't realize that the garage door is down as you're backing it in, you drive through it. So today on JAT Customs, we are going to start building a new garage door. This is not fixable because I was gonna try to fix it and it's just not fixable. It's all smashed and bashed and cracked up. So we are going to start by building us a new door, and then we'll take this one down and we will replace it. All right, so this will be a couple of episode project, and we'll go from there. We also got another flag, Hoosier Racing Tires. Okay, T got that from one of his co-workers at work. Thank you for that. That's awesome. We appreciate that. We have a Hoosier Racing Tire up there, but of course our Jolly Roger. All right, so that is going to be our next multiple episode project. All right, how to rebuild a door on your garage. Now, yes, I could buy a new door. New doors are over $1,000 a piece. And obviously I need 2 of them, and I'd rather spend $2,000 on my springs, my cams, and my cam gears. That right there is $2,000. So I'd rather spend that money on rebuild a pair of wooden doors.